Okay, we got a nice little Caterpillar 120H motor grader here from the county. Got a 12-foot moldboard cab with cold air conditioning. It does have a scarifier attachment. We're going to install that scarifier. Got 1,300 by 24 tires all the way around. Everything functions really well. Haven't seen anything negative yet. We're gonna put it in our shop and get it all checked out. Very tight. Good running grader. Shifts well in all the gears, got good brakes, air conditioning in it, stereo. The scarifiers that have looks like it's actually never been put on. We're gonna put it on and get another video of it running with the scarifier on it. And after it's all been cleaned up. It hasn't been cleaned up, detailed, or serviced out or anything like that at all yet. But really nice little grader. Caterpillar 120H from the county. Cab air, scarifier, low profile cab, 12-foot moldboard, 1,324 tires. Nice little machine. And here's a scarifier going with it. Got brand new teeth, a couple of extra teeth right there. I don't know that it's actually ever been on the machine. Maybe it has. And there you go.